So I'm traveling to Delhi to surprise my girlfriend. She has no idea that I'm coming to see her, and I'm sure she'll be shocked as hell to see me there. So I'm coordinating this surprise with the help of my friends Soumya and Gurleen. She thinks that she's meeting them for dinner tonight, but in reality, it's going to be her boyfriend, me. I want to grab breakfast before boarding the flight, but I really don't have time. The security check took forever today. Somehow I made it to the flight, and now I've reached Delhi and checked into my hotel. This is the first time that I'm in Delhi during the winters, and bro, what even is this air? How do you guys live here? It is so toxic. But yeah, somehow made it to my hotel and I'm now sitting here and planning how to go about this surprise. Shower done and I've cleaned the Delhi pollution off my body. God, in 1 hour itself, I'm brain fucked. My eyes are also red. Bobby's, the food is here. It took only 29 minutes, which is quite impressive. Chicken tikka looks nice. So let's eat this while enjoying this view. A decent view from my room, bro. And while we are eating, let's also talk to Soumya. Soumya is my friend, who's also Shafali's friend. We shall coordinate the surprise with Soumya's help. Alright, let's call Soumya.
हेलो
Soumya, say hi to the vlog.
हाय व्लॉग
कैसी है?
बढ़िया भाई
इतनी रो क्यों रही है? सो के उठी है क्या अभी?
नहीं नहीं आई वाज जस्ट चिलिंग
अच्छा ठीक है तो सौम्या आई रियली नीड योर हेल्प. ठीक है, हाउ डू वी गो अबाउट दिस? हाउ डू वी सरप्राइज हर?
तू कहाँ पे स्टे कर रहा है अभी
तो मैं अभी रुका हूँ वेस्टर्न में एंड आई हैव अ प्लान. ठीक है, I want you to
Okay.
call Shefali and ask her to come to Westin, the hotel. You can just say that you're attending a meeting, a conference in the hotel, and it happens to be near her office, so she can come see you. Makes sense, na? Hotel में और क्या बोलेगी? Like you're attending a conference, so she can come see you, and instead of seeing you, she'll see me, big man.
ठीक है वी कैन डू दिस
है ना?
मैं एक बार उसे कॉल करती हूँ आई थिंक शी इज एट वर्क ओनली बट
हाँ.
आई थिंक दिस माइट वर्क
है ना? चल लेट्स डू दिस. कैसा लगा मेरा प्लान? साउंड सॉलिड राइट? नाउ जस्ट नीड टू वेट टिल इवनिंग. शी शुड बी डन विथ वर्क एंड शील कम हियर. आई विल सरप्राइज हर. क्वाइट नाइस. स्टैंडर्ड होटल चिकन टिक्का. Soumya says she's calling. What happened? Hello, what's up?
ब्रदर
क्या हुआ? क्यों रो रही है?
रोएगा तू मतलब सॉरी मतलब एक थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गई है
क्या है प्रॉब्लम?
थोड़ी बुटी है So turns out कि Shefali is 90% having team dinner today. So
टीम डिनर.
yeah, team dinner. So she told me कि अभी प्लान बना है यार तो थोड़ा मुश्किल लग रहा है क्या करें
पता नहीं. मैं खाना खा रहा था यार, तू खाना रोक दे मेरा.
एक तो मैं तेरी हेल्प कर रही हूँ
हाँ ओके सॉरी. ठीक है सॉरी. ठीक है मैं आई थिंक अबाउट इट. आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू नाउ. यार मैं खाना एंजॉय कर रहा था और फिर सौम्या ने ऐसी न्यूज़ दे दी कि मैं फिर स्ट्रेस ईटिंग करने लगा. I had a proper plan set, man. What is this team dinner? What do I do now? Okay, so I have realized that there's no point stressing on something I have no control over. I can't do anything about her team dinner. I'm not stressing on this. Let's just go to the lounge, get like a hot beverage, and think it through. Bobbies, here's the lounge that only club room members have access to. I found myself a nice quaint corner here, but yeah, it's a pretty big lounge as you can tell. Right, I just got back to my room and looks like Soumya has a plan for me. She spoke to Shefali and yeah, Shefali cannot cancel the team dinner. So Shefali is going for the team dinner, but she has agreed to meet Soumya after the dinner for desserts. Now this is my opportunity to sneak in. She's gonna come to Westin thinking she's getting desserts with Soumya, but in reality, she's gonna be doing dinner with me. Well, she might not eat, but at least she's gonna sit at a dinner table with me. So I spent the last 30 minutes getting a reservation, getting some flowers, and now let's put these flowers together. Alright, let's hope that these flowers are fresh because I spoke to the in-house florist here in Westin and she didn't have fresh flowers. So I had to order these off Blinkit. Let's just see if these look good. Okay, this is the first set. Looks fine. Smells fine. Not the best, but will do the job. And these are the important ones. These are white carnations, which happen to be Shefali's favorite flowers. Oh wow, yeah, these do look good. Oh yeah, brotherly broskis, tell me this looks good. If I was creative, I would put these two together and make one big bouquet, but I'm not that creative. Alright, Bobbies, let's go do it. This is the dinner fit. Fancy shirt, decent jeans, and some flowers to surprise her. Let's go. भाई मेरे को तो होटल लॉबी में इतनी ठंड लग रही है. I can't even imagine बाहर जाऊंगा तो कैसे जम जाऊंगा. I'm not wearing anything hot, bro. No sweater, no jacket, no thermal, just Bangalore Bobby outfit. Alright guys, so I'm standing behind the staircase. It's a blind spot. The staircase goes up, but from behind this wall, Shefali will be coming any second now. Soumya has told that she's entered the hotel, so I'm going to stand here and surprise her. मैंने एक और कैमरा भी सेटअप किया है वहाँ पे, आप देख सकते हो. So it's going to be a trippy scene. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. I have flowers for you, ma'am.
What are you saying?
Yeah. Why would I do this to surprise you?
Oh my god.
You said you were missing me. You said you didn't like the people here. So the only one person that you liked came all the way to see you.
Oh my god. When did you come?
Came today.
When?
Today morning.
I can't process this. I need like 10 minutes to process this. Is Soumya even here?
No.
Oh,
It's just me.
oh my god.
Guys, मैंने video cut किया. I gave her a minute because she just couldn't process it.
I'm still crying.
Why you crying, brother? I came to see you.
You're damn mean, that's why.
I'm damn mean.
Yeah, because how can you take a flight without telling me?
Oh yeah. So we have a ritual where we tell each other we're getting on a flight. We get on a call before we start that journey.
Yeah, you broke it.
Sorry. I broke it to see you only.
Yeah, I know. But I'm in too much shock.
How was my surprise?
Too good. I didn't even doubt it. Bro, this is the first surprise of my life that has been like full successful.
Yeah. Bro, she's crying. She's asking how does she make up for something like this? It's okay. I came to surprise you.
Film me crying.
Shouldn't film you crying. You look prettier when you cry.
Then I cry more.
Huh?
I always look pretty.
You always look pretty. That's also true. So, Bobbies, this is a special table that I got for us. Some flowers, full fancy decoration down. You happy or what?
Are you gonna propose?
Mad or what? Have you ever eaten 5-star pizza before? No, right?
We haven't eaten, no, before?
We haven't, but have you by yourself?
Never.
Okay. So this is a chicken and mushroom pizza. Alright, that's your slice. Let me grab a slice for myself. What were you expecting when you came here?
I was expecting to see Soumya.
Huh.
I was gonna hug her. I was gonna say hi to her, and then I was gonna run to pee.
You had to pee.
Yeah, so I had to control my pee for a good 20 minutes.
I planned this entire thing for like 12 hours. I was on call with Soumya. We had a different plan initially, and then you got your team dinner. So we had to change our plans. But Soumya has been such an amazing sport here. If not for her, I don't know how I would pull this surprise.
Yeah, because I was really wondering why are you insisting that I meet her today itself? Because
Yeah.
first of all, I was so scared that it's in the night, I have to go back alone.
I kept telling her, meet Soumya today, don't skip it, meet Soumya today.
And usually you're the kind of person who says it's fine, skip it, just go back home safely. Today he insisted so much and I made it happen.
I'll tell you why this is more surprising for her. It's because Delhi is the last place I'd want to be in the winters.
I didn't want him to come here, like as much as I wanted you to come here, and I kept saying come, but that was just me, right, being stupid. I didn't want you to because I am dying in this weather.
It's okay. You can enjoy the time with me here now. Okay, let's try this lasagna. It's been a while since I ate my last lasagna.
It's a big bite for Shefali.
It's a big bite for anybody.
Very different from the lasagna we eat.
Oh, yeah.
It is so different.
Hello?
What is that?
It just melts in your mouth.
Tell me, do I look the same in Delhi and Bangalore?
I don't know about that, but you are twinning with me.
Oh my god.
Top to bottom.
We're wearing the exact same fit.
Completely unplanned, Bobbies.
Black footwear, denims, dark, obviously unplanned, right? Because I didn't know he was coming.
Dinner done, Bobbies? How was your dinner?
Yummy actually.
Second dinner.
Oh yeah, second. Actually, that too I had snacks now more than dinner.
With office people.
Starters.
Soumya told me that you are doing dinner and coming.
Yeah, but I controlled my appetite.
Nice. So we packed up our pizza because we couldn't finish all of it. And I'll go eat it in my room. Anyways, this was the surprise, Bobbies. I hope you enjoyed it because I don't know if she enjoyed it or whether she was scared, whether she was emotional, but yeah, she had a roller coaster of emotions.
I think I was just so much in shock that I didn't know what to say.
Anyways, that's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one.
Bye bye.